don't know how this video is. I'm contracting. I'm contracting, guys. I'm contracting. This is my bulb. Since 3:30 a.m. I've not been able to sleep. I started throwing up. And my labor comes with throwing up. I started throwing up since last night. My bucket is here. It's my bucket. Because I couldn't walk going to the bathroom anymore. So today is 30th of January. 30th of January. My baby is a February baby. I don't want to give birth January. I want to give birth by February. So we are going to be enduring it till February. So I'm just having mild contractions and I've not packed my hospital bag. I'm going to do that today. I don't want to be surprised. So I'm going to take you guys along. I don't know if this is the start of my labor and delivery vlog. I don't know if it is. Please manage the lighting. My room doesn't have the best of light, and this is, I think the time is 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. so everywhere is still dark. Everywhere is still dark, and I don't have the strength to go and start plugging my ring light. So that's just it. I'll take you guys along as the pregnancy or as the labor progresses. But I pray this baby comes February 1st. At least that is my birth month, so I can share birth month with my baby. Though my due date was supposed to be February 22, but I don't give birth on my due date. My 3 kids, I never got to my due date. No, I never got to my due date. So this one has started giving me sign. I'm having my contractions and I'll talk to you guys again. I feel like throwing up. Talk to you guys again.
Va bene, io glielo chiedo, poi glielo dico subito. Grazie. Vieni.
Husband is doing husband duty. Hey guys. Welcome. You have been admitted to deliver baby number 4. Baby number 4. My heartbeat is being monitored. Both my contractions. We're already 3 cm dilated from home. I didn't want to come. I wanted to come tomorrow, but Bobby insisted I must come today. So we're here. Hope you guys are doing great. So welcome to my labor and delivery vlog. So I'm at the hospital. But we are 2 here, so that's why I have a roommate. But I'm still going to show you guys, do a room tour properly for you guys. Okay. It's my first meal. Gluten and biscuit. Good. Okay. This spinach, I guess. God help me. Guys, I will eat what I've not eaten before in my life. And it's only what I understand here. Yes. Together. That's me. That's this chicken. And it's a polo. I understand before. You know what is this one? God help me. I've been giving all this thing to eat because I have diabetes. This is my first time having diabetes in pregnancy. My very first time. I'm going to. My husband is not here now to tell me what I'm eating. Show you guys my room. Let me do a room tour for you guys. Talking slowly because my roommate is sleeping and I don't want to wake up. So that's the entrance door. This is me. My bed. This way. The wardrobe and the bathroom. Sorry. This is has 2 mini heater. 2. This is it. Dustbin, sink, another dustbin, and this beautiful mirror. So that is the shower stand. That's the shower stand. So this is basically everything. So neat, simple and beautiful. So that is the door I just came in from. I just came in from this door. So this is it. This is it. They gave us shower gel, disinfectant, and I don't know. This is basically it. So guys, that is just it. So I'm just waiting here. I'm contracting already. So and hubby cannot stay with me. They said visitors are not allowed. From past 9, no visitor is allowed. So it's just probably going to be only me going through this phase again. So wish me well in the comment section. Maybe got traffic. Welcome. This vlog is not actually my labor and delivery vlog, which is going to be the next video I'll be posting, but I decided to share what happened to me from the beginning of my pregnancy to the end. So here I had an emergency, so I started contracting. I was passing through labor, but the labor was not progressing. I came to the hospital with 3 cm, but all of a sudden my cervix have to close back. I don't know why, but they said it's because I have diabetes and I had little issues with my liver, so that's why the labor is not progressing. And I demanded for an induction, but they said no, they cannot induce me until there's a reason for it. So here I was trying to exercise to see if the labor will continue, but at the long run it was not progressing, and I got tired of staying in the hospital. I got frustrated, I got confused, and I just opted out to let them allow me go home. If the labor progresses at home, I will call for an emergency again and return back to the hospital. So I was just trying to exercise here to see if I can help myself and increase the labor, but guys, the labor was not coming. So I actually just vividly came to the hospital to chill out, to just eat their different kind of meals and all that. But notwithstanding, we thank God for everything. So after I finished eating the last meal, I had to tell my husband to tell them to discharge me so that I can go home and continue my exercise at home. So that is just it. But I also have an appointment with my gynecology 2 days after this video. So this was on a Monday, and I have an appointment with my gynecologist on the Thursday. So I told them let me go home so I can come back for that appointment. So that is just it, guys. After I finish eating this meal, I headed home. So the next video you're going to be watching is the actual labor and delivery vlog. Yes, that is the actual labor and delivery vlog. I thought this was going to be the labor and delivery vlog, but it wasn't. It wasn't, guys. So please subscribe so that you get to see the actual labor and delivery vlog. Like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. So see you in the actual labor and delivery vlog. Bye bye.